Hello, you guys! So, next puzzle on the table, mixtapes. Yes, this is from Galison. I think it's the first puzzle from Galison that I do, so I'm quite curious about the quality of that. I think the motif will be not that bad because it's very colorful. And yeah, I don't know where to start, but I just put my pieces on the table and then I'll have a look what will get my attention first. So that one is called Mixtapes 1000 Pieces from Galison. Nice. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, so that was exactly the fun I thought it would be. And there's not much to say about it. So we've got all the mixtapes in all the different colors. I remember having these. So I don't remember having so colorful ones, more these kind. And yes, that was a long time ago, wasn't it? And I think that's it. So, mixtapes. Did you make mixtapes? And can you remember what you put on your last mixtape or your last tape? Or do you remember any mixtapes you did? Then tell me in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. We will see us on the next one. Oh, yeah, and that like and subscribe thing. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.